I am going to teach in LCM in three types. Three types of LCM. We have taken LCM here 8 and 12 numbers. It is called in Telugu Kasagu. Kanishta సామాన్య గుణికము అంటే here 8 and 12 2 table will go. That's why we have divided 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Then we will go to in 4 and 6 2 will go. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then if you the primes are remained here, primes are remained. That's why 2 into 2 4. 4 into 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. The LCM is here 24. Second method, factorization method, in which not factorization method, in which it is multiples method. Multiples of the 8 are 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 24 48. 24 plus 24 48. In second 24 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 24 48. So the highest multiple is 48 and the least multiple is 24. Both are common in two lines. Both are common in two lines. We will have to take the least common multiple. That's why therefore 24 is the LCM of this. This is the second method. Third method 4 by 8 minus 6 by 12. Here we have taken long division method 8 and 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. That's why the 4 is the here vertical it is HCF and 4 into 2 into 3 3 are the LCM. Here the primes are, we don't include primes, we will get HCF. Here 12. 12 means here what is HCF? 24. 24 by 24 here. How many times go 8? 8 can go in 3 times. That's why 3 into numerator 4 minus next 12 will go in 24 2 times into 6. 12 minus 12 is equal by 24, that is equal to 0 by 24 is equal to 0. By factorization method. Here what are these factorization method? 8 to 12. 8 to 12. Here factors are 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Here HCF. We have to find HCF. We have to find HCF. In the both lines, what are the common? Highest factor is required for finding the HCF. Here the least common factor is the 2 and highest common factor is the 4. That's why the HCF is 4. The HCF is 4. That's why. This is the another type. Here what is there? 4 is vertical of long LCM division and 4 into 2 into 3 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Here second method or third method. This is long division method. We have to divide into small number with great number. 8 ones are 8. That's why the remainder is here we have left with 4. Then the 8 is a divisor. The divisor must be divided by 4. 4 2s are 8 until you get to 0. Then the HCF is 4 here. This is the third method. First one is the in long division method of LCM. 4 is the vertical number. That's why it is HCF. In the factorization method, in both lines 2 and 4 are the common factors. Highest common factor is the 4. That's why you have taken 4 as a HCF. This is the second method. Third method is If you divide with small number, that into great number, 8 ones are 8, 12 minus 8, 4. Then we will have to bring back 8 divisor into the dividend. 4 twos are 8. Then we get to 0. You will have to divide until you get to 0. Then only it will be factorized. So this is in this type itself is 4. And next we have done this example. This example is HCF and HCF. In this 9, 8, 18, 36 I have given 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 8, 3 12s are 36. Again I have taken 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. And you will have to divide until 3 numbers are divided by the 3. Then only you get to HCF. Here 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Remaining we have here 1, 1, 2 are the primes. 1, 1 and 2 are the prime numbers are co-primes. Those are co-primes. In the factorization method, 9 has the factor of 3 into 3, 9, 8. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. That is the factor. Another one, 2 into 3, 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Here the factor. In this highest common factor is common factor number is 3. 3 and 3. Here this is 3, this is 3. That's why 3 into 3, 9 is the 3 into 3, 9 is the HCF. 9 is the HCF. 9 is the HCF. 9 is the CF. You should find this here. 3 has come in 3 lines. Here 3, 3, 3 and 3. Here 3, 3 and 3. In both lines 3 is common. We will have to take one number only. That is the 3. For 3 numbers 1 3. Another 3 numbers another 3. In that way we will have to get HCF. Here the what is there? Long division method. Here 18, that is 6, 72. 3 into 3 6 are 3 12s are 3 24s are 72. Again we have taken 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. Then we will have to take 2. But this 2 is not useful for HCF. Why? The 2 cannot divide all 3 numbers. All 3 numbers here. That's why here what is only we have divided here. Oh yeah, here it can be divided. I have forgotten. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Leave up to here. What is this? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. What is the LCM here? Here what is the LCM? We have to find LCM is total, but HCF is take this 3 3s are 9 only. It is 9 only. Then the LCM of this total is the 72. Here HCF. What do you find it next? 18 factors are 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. In 36, 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Again 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. Here HCF is how much here? You have written here wrong. That is observe it. What are you doing? 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 8. According to the factorization, 18 and LCM is 18 and 72. We got it. Then we get it the HCF of in this way. Next, I have given another example for you today morning. First, if the 48 is greater than among between 24 and 48. So the LCM is 48 as it is divided by 24 directly. That's why 48 is the LCM. Next, upside division method of LCM 24 and 48. 2 12s are 24. 2 24s are 48. 2 6s are 12. 2 12s are 24. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Then 3 1s 3. 3 2s are 6. These factor must be, hey, don't have, this factor must be pair of numbers, but not a single number. If you don't divide, you will have to download that number. Here there is no going of the 2 pair. That's why we have stopped here. These are the primes. In this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is what is that? Verticality is the 24 is the HCF. 24 is the HCF. 24 is the HCF is the 24 and 24 into 1 and 2. That is LCM is 48. Here 24 and 48 is the 24 and 48 are the LCM and HCF. Here another factorization method. Factorization method, what do we do? 24, 48. Here LCM we have done, I think, 24 plus 24, 48. Here 48 plus 48, 96. Least common, here 48 and 96. Highest common is, highest multiple is 96. Highest multiple is 96. Least multiple is, say it. Least multiple is 48. That's why you have the LCM as 48. Here HCF 3 types. First method we have taken 24 and 48. The smallest number is 24. That's why we have taken 24. 2s are don't have 24. 2s are 48. We get 0. That's why 48 is factored by divided by 24. That's why 24 is the HCF. In the second method, 24 factors are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. And 48, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Here we have in the 2 lines we have got 2 1 common, another 2 1 common, another 2 1 common. We have taken a single digit of 2, 2, 2, and in this 3, 3, we have taken 3 number only. Then we will have to multiply it to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is the HCF correct answer. Here directly we will have to do 24 and 48. If you do 24 1s are 25, 24 2s are 48. 1 and 2 are the co-primes. 1 and 2 are the pro-primes. Co-primes. That's why the vertical number 24 is HCF and 24 into with horizontal numbers 1 and 2. 24 1s 24, 24 2s 48. Though therefore the 48 is the LCM. Therefore the 48 is the LCM.